Hoping, would you be able to show the audience, hypothetically, what it would be like if the mayor of Townsville met and talked to SpongeBob SquarePants? I'd love to know.
Oh no! Let's see. The city of Townsville, which has inexplicably been... I suck!
No, wow. You're fine.
The city of Townsville, which has inexplicably been moved under the sea.
Wow! What the heck's going on? Mojo! Jojo! I love that crazy monkey. Wait a minute. How did I get here? I have no idea. Oh my God, I forgot I can't swim. Help! Help! Help!
2 hours later, the mayor was still floundering in the water, unaware that the water only came up to his ankles.
So once again, the day is saved thanks to Hector.
Wow.
That made no narrative sense whatsoever. I think I want to be the Invisible Man right now.
That's amazing.